Not a wink. Understanding sleepless nights. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English expression, not sleep a wink. This phrase is common in English conversations, and understanding it can help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Not sleep a wink is a phrase used to describe a situation where someone does not get any sleep at all during the night. It's often used to express a significant level of discomfort or worry that keeps a person awake. The key here is the word wink, which is an informal term for a very short period of sleep. So, when you say you didn't sleep a wink, you're saying you didn't even get a moment of rest. This expression has a long history in the English language, dating back to the 14th century. It's believed to have originated from the notion that sleep could be as brief as a wink. Over time, not sleep a wink became a popular way to express complete sleeplessness. Understanding such phrases helps us connect with the rich history and evolution of the English language. Now that you know what it means, let's talk about how to use not sleep a wink in conversation. It's quite straightforward. For example, if you had a stressful day and couldn't sleep because of it, you might say to a friend, "I was so worried about my job interview that I didn't sleep a wink last night." This phrase can be used in various contexts, from light-hearted to more serious situations. English is full of expressions related to sleep and lack thereof. Some similar phrases include toss and turn, to move around in bed because you cannot sleep, and wide awake, to be fully awake, especially when you're supposed to be asleep. These expressions can be used interchangeably depending on the context and what you want to emphasize about your sleepless experience. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, not sleep a wink. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning, origins, and use. English is a language rich with expressions that can add color to our conversations. Don't forget to practice using not sleep a wink in your own English conversations. See you in our next video, and we hope you sleep more than a wink tonight.